Jupyter Notebook setup in VS Code, Visual Studio Code, developed by Microsoft. It is free and open source IDE. Coding for Python programming language. How to download, install Jupyter Notebook, VS Code IDE and Python program. Step by step explain. First, browser open. Google search box lo VS Code download enter. Enter key press. Official link first section lo display. code.visualstudio.com download. First link, mouse left click. Visual Studio Code official web interface complete display, latest version 1.95. Download Visual Studio Code supporting OS Windows, Linux, Mac. Present Windows setup. First one, Windows, click. Thanks for downloading VS Code. Download section lo VS Code user setup -x64 latest version 1.95.3 exe. Setup file downloading process start. File size 98.6 MB. Completed. Next, Python downloading process. Google search box lo Python download enter. Enter key press. Official link display. python.org download. First link, mouse left click. Official page complete display. Middle section lo download the latest version for Windows. Other supporting OS Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS. Present Windows yellow color button. Download Python latest version 3.13.0 button click. Download section lo Python -3.13.0 AMD 64-bit.exe. setup file downloading process start. File size 26.9 MB. Wait and here few minutes. Next, installation setup process. Browser close. Desktop file explorer document open. Downloads folder lo two setup files display. First one, VS Code. Mouse right click. Open option click. Open file security warning window lo first button run click. Download folder minimize. Setup Microsoft Visual Studio Code user window lo license agreement. Middle section lo complete info display. Left side bottom section lo first option I accept the agreement. Circle lo tick mark set. Mouse left click. Next button click. Select destination location. Local disk C drive lo newly created Visual Studio Code complete location and path display in middle section box. Second button next click. Select start menu folder window lo second button next click. Select additional tasks section lo two options display. First one, additional icons. First option, create a desktop icon. If you want desktop shortcut, left side box lo tick mark set. Second option, others lo two options display. First one, mouse left click. Second one, mouse left click. Second button next click. Ready to install. Install click. Preparing to install. Setup is preparing to install Visual Studio Code on your computer. Wait and here few minutes. Completing the Visual Studio Code setup wizard. Desktop shortcut display. Launch Visual Studio Code. Left side box lo tick mark remove. Finish click. File explorer document reopen. Python exe setup file select. Mouse right click. First option open click. Opens file security warning window lo first button run click. Download folder minimize. Python latest version 3.13.0 64-bit setup window lo bottom side two options display. First one, use admin privileges when installing py.exe. Left side box lo tick mark set. Mouse left click. Second one, add python.exe to path auto creation. Left side box lo tick mark set. Middle section lo two options display. First one, install now. Second one, custom installation. First one, install now click. Build release window lo first one yes click. Setup progress. installing Python latest version 3.13.0 executable 64-bit related exe and setup files. Installing process start. Wait and hear few minutes. Setup was successful. Display in window. Close button click. Desktop Visual Studio Code. Select, double click, open. Program is running. Visual Studio Code complete user interface, black color theme display. Welcome window. Get started with VS Code. Right side VS Code interface related themes samples display. Dark mode and white mode. Window close. Left side fifth icon extensions click. Search box lo Python enter. First one extension Python click. Right side Python developed and author Microsoft blue color install click. Python extension for Visual Studio Code complete information display. Installation completed. Next search box lo Jupyter enter. First one extension Jupyter click. Jupyter notebook author and developed by Microsoft. First button install click. Extension pack internal 4 dependencies pack. After installation completed, extension window close. First icon left side explorer click. View menu click. First option command palette click. Search box lo Jupyter enter. Create new Jupyter notebook. First option click. File name untitled dot extension ipynb. Right side top section lo detecting kernel Python related install version. Checking process button Python click. Second one option search box lo markdown click. Text name enter Chari Tech. Top section lo first icon code left click. Python shell display enter here Python simple code. Print open bracket double quoted output related any text enter Chari Tech Info Warangal. Left side execute code play icon click. Keyboard shortcut key Control Alt enter. Direct output display. Play button click. Right side down section lo connecting to kernel Python 3.13.0. Visual Studio Code message window display. First button install click. Installing IPY kernel. Source Jupyter. Dependencies extension pack. Install process start. Wait and hear few minutes. Connecting to kernel Python 3.13.0. After installation successfully, Python coding related output Chari Tech Info Warangal. In case any error in coding text, left side 3 dots click more actions. Clear cell output. Recheck output. Top section lo third one run all button click. Again display Chari Tech Info Warangal.